Hey, quick heads up, building a custom online marketplace will get pricier in 2024, all because of new tech like AR, AI, and focusing on mobile users first. These features can make your marketplace stand out, but expect them to bump up the cost. That's why nailing down your development strategy from the get-go is crucial. So let's talk about the development path you can take based on what you're aiming for and how much money you gotta spend. So you basically have three strategies for developing an e-commerce marketplace. Starting a marketplace on a SaaS platform, building a custom marketplace on top of a ready-made open code marketplace platform, and developing a custom marketplace from scratch. Let's take a quick look at the pros and cons of each approach and see which one could be the best for your business. So starting with a SaaS platform is like moving into a furnished apartment. Everything you need is already there. But here's the problem. A lease contract doesn't allow you to move the furniture or make any interior refinements. Same with a SaaS marketplace platform. Yes, it's quick and convenient and it doesn't cost you too much at the start. But in the future, it will limit you in many aspects, including customization and growth. So the pros include easy start, low initial costs, and you get updates and support from the platform provider. The cons? Limited customization, and as your business grows, so do your costs. SaaS platforms are best for newbies looking to jump into the market fast without spending a lot of cash. There are plenty of SaaS marketplace platforms out there, for example Jardin Prive. It's a fantastic SaaS platform which, by the way, gives you pretty good customization opportunities on their top plan. Take a look at this nice marketplace for garden stuff, Jardin Prive. It's built with Jardin Prive in the cloud, looks nice and clean, and covers the basic functionality for this product category. Now onto the next strategy. Going the open code route is like building your own house upon a ready foundation and walls. It takes more effort, but you get exactly what you want. And you can rebuild the house, add more rooms, and change the furniture anytime you want. This is basically what you get with a ready-made open code marketplace solution. The pros of this strategy include total control of the marketplace functionality and look and feel. The platform belongs to you and it can grow with your business. What about the cons? This approach requires more money and tech knowledge to get started and scale. Using a ready-made open code platform is best for businesses wanting something special that really stands out and are ready to invest more for that uniqueness. CSCart Multi-Vendor is a vibrant example of an open code marketplace platform in today's e-commerce software industry. It's basically a low-code marketplace platform. You can build your marketplace on the out-of-the-box platform without any coding. And if you need some custom stuff, you can dig into the code and develop it. There's a cool Greek online marketplace built with CSCart, Shopflix. It's a custom project built on top of our platform, 5 million products and 3,000 sellers on board. Now onto the third strategy. Developing your marketplace from scratch is the dreamer's route, or maybe the moneybags route, call it whatever you want. You start with a blank canvas and a development team and build the platform from zero. It's like making a fully custom house project and hiring a construction company to build the house for you. What's the advantage? You have ultimate freedom in design and features. This approach is perfect for introducing groundbreaking ideas. But the downsides are severe. It's the most expensive and time-consuming option, and you need a solid tech team. Developing a marketplace from zero is best for enterprises or ambitious startups that want to push boundaries and are ready to invest heavily in their vision. Early marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, Alibaba are fully custom-built platforms. Back then, there were no ready-made marketplace solutions. That's why the founders invested in building their businesses from scratch. Maybe this is the reason why these first marketplaces are still thriving and feel comfortable in the market. So choosing the right path depends on what you want, how much money you have, and whether you know your way around tech or can find someone who does. It's about making sure your plan matches is where you see your business going. After spending years in the e-commerce software world, I really think going with open code is your best move. It's like finding that sweet spot because you can build a marketplace that's just right for you without being stuck in a rented space or having to start from scratch. If you agree, why not start your marketplace adventure by checking out CSCart? It's great for the open code approach. You can get a quote for your project using the link down below. Think there might be better ways to go about it? Share your thoughts in the comments.